Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Are you tired of the hassle of constantly checking order statuses? Well, I've got something game-changing for you. Introducing the Order Tracker app. Seamlessly connected to Google Sheets, this app transforms the way you track orders. No more endless scrolling through spreadsheets. With a simple tap, enter your order number, and voila! The app instantly fetches and displays your order status in real time. Fast, efficient, and user-friendly, imagine the possibilities. Now, here's the exciting part. You can get your hands on the code for just $1. That's right, $1 unlocks the potential for streamlined order tracking. Don't miss out on this limited time offer. Ready to revolutionize your order tracking experience? Head to the link in the description to grab your code. Now, remember, it's only $1 for a limited time. Thanks for tuning in. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on the latest tech innovations. Get your Order Tracker app code today, and let's transform the way you do business.